said out here, I understand. It's private property.
What did you say, my friend?
And tell them one of them had rolled up another knife. You guys did a knife.
Tell them that you guys are arguing like a bunch of baby back bitches, motherfuckers.
Nobody's arguing. We're just asking you a question, you dumb fuck.
You are the one calling names first, my stupid motherfucking friend.
You can't talk now. I call it terrorists, dude. I don't know, dude, you know.
Terroristen. Andula terroristen.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You never know, dude. They don't want to answer. They don't want to say what they're doing. We got like 7 cameras. We're going to be famous.
You're sounding like baby back bitch.
Don't tell me what to do, don't tell me what to do. You ain't nobody. What the fuck's wrong with these idiots? I don't know, dude. They just don't fucking that shit. There's a bulletproof vest, all that gentleman.
You might just start acting like bitch after you blow up, motherfucker. Now he is making fun of Asian workers. You shut it the fuck up, motherfucker. You the one crying, you bitch, motherfucker. We are standing right here, you bitch motherfucker. Let me guess, you are one of those bitch motherfucker that has invisible line. You are crybaby bitch is what you are, motherfucker. You cry like bitch. You cry like bitch. You cry like bitch, motherfucker.
Step in here and you'll see how bitch I am.
You are already bitch. I do not need to step anywhere, motherfucker.
Step in here.
Stop crying like bitch. You are only idiot here.
No, you, both of you like idiots here, dude. Fucking stupid. Shh.
Yes, my friend.
Put out the knife.
All we need to know is what are they doing here, and then it's
Taking pictures of private property.
Taking pictures of crybaby bitch, motherfucker.
Right, baby, bitch, motherfucker.
Here comes another one. Here comes another one.
I'm coming? No.
Plaza? Plaza? Plaza?
Terör lagi.
vatos están más pendejos. Ya, already know. Dios los perdone, ustedes también pendejos.
That's what I'm trying to do.
He's reaching for that knife, look.
I have a block in the gate. The block in the gate.
We're on YouTube.
This motherfucker making up so many excuses. Look like beach motherfucker crying police.
What excuses, dude? We ain't making up excuses, dumb fuck.
You
Why
are
can't
the
you
dumb
just say,
fuck
what are you
motherfucker.
doing?
You are the only dumb fuck that's all day. Are yourself only one dumb fuck today.
And they're talking like you know, from different countries, don't you know? You never know.
Or now you want a pillow and blanket too, motherfucker.
What?
You want a pillow and blanket too to feel so comfortable.
The pillow and blanket?
Crybaby beach.
No, not yet. That's when I get home, dumbass.
You need one right now.
No, don't. I'm good.
You need pacifier because you cry like baby. Baby beach.
These ones are idiots, dude.
Cry like baby beach.
I don't know. Just step in here and say that. I'll fuck you up in here.
You ain't fucking nothing up but your baby beach self, motherfucker.
By a knife, look.
Oh, you so scared, huh? You little bitch, motherfucker.
You motherfuckers blow up anytime.
You cry like bitch, motherfucker.
That's all you can say.
You like it the moving the crying game, don't you?
Viejas culeros.
You like it the movie the crying game, don't you?
Yeah.
He is crying game.
They're gonna leave in 5 minutes.
I don't know, dude.
I think he's running out of tape. I think he's running out of tape.
이쁘다.
I think he's running out of tape. 이거 하라고 새끼야. 그래 심 새끼야.
안녕하세요. What are they want? What's the problem?
Mother shoot deer. Shoot deer?
Shoot who?
Shoot.
Well, now you talk about shooting, dude.
And this guy is telling us
Yeah.
running out of
Mother
tape.
shoot.
So you're gonna start shooting?
Shoot deer.
So you're gonna start
You're a
shooting?
shortia, motherfucker.
Shoot deer.
Okay, go ahead, bring it.
Say it again.
Say that again and record it.
Say it again.
You're a cry baby beach, motherfucker.
Take
Cry.
your face off. Take your face
You're a
off.
crying beach,
Take your mask off
motherfucker.
and come on down here.
You're still a crying beach, motherfucker.
You're the one
Here or
talking shit.
there, you are still crying like beach. You need to shut it the fuck up.
No. You come here and shut me up.
No, you're coming here and
You
stop
come here and
crying
shut
like
me up.
beach, motherfucker.
No, come here.
You listen to beach, motherfucker. Little guy. He says you got little junk down there. That's what he told me to tell you and him. Both have little junks down there and down there.
Little bit.
Two little ones, he says.
Maybe borrow your wife and let her, she'll tell you. Or your daughter. The one you got on your fucking hand right here.
So you are rapist now,
Dumb
motherfucker?
fucker.
You are bitch racist? You are rapist,
Your mama's
racist?
a rapist.
You are bitch racist,
Oh, he's going for the knife again. Look, he's going for the knife.
Get this crybaby bitch, motherfucker.
And then I want to press charges.
They're threatening us with our life. That they're gonna shoot us and stab us. We got a
Now you
knife.
cry to police like little
There
bitch
you go right there, look.
motherfuckers.
Yeah, they are.
Ponga.
Yeah, over here. Pulling this way, motherfucker. 10-4.
No, just us.
They do not listen to your bitch ass motherfucker.
That's what we want to
Bitch
know.
motherfucker.
The other one is all black. Covering his face too.
You got a bulletproof vest and all that.
And you are going to cry about it? Stop crying like bitch motherfucker.
And I want to press charges.
You want to press charges because they're threatening us. They're threatening us with our lives.
On your own ass and send your ass to jail, my friend.
Jail, my friend.
You are going to jail yourself. When you have to give up your name and address, they are going to run your record and take you to jail for your bullshit.
My record is fucking clean, dude.
I don't think so, my friend.
Well, you'll see.
I don't think so. going to let the date to leave us the fuck alone, motherfucker. Crying like bitch to police. What is wrong with men these days? Bunch of bitch ass men crying to another man about man business.
Bunch of pussy.
Get your ass over there. Daddy going to explain to you, motherfucker.
Bye, pussy. Let me get the call.
You are crying like a cry baby. Go listen. Go listen to daddy. Look at this. All of them have left you all alone here to fend for yourself, my friend. You are not going to cry like them. You are not going to cry like them. Good for you, my friend. Good for you. The rest are a bunch of crybaby, whiny little bitches that call the police for no reason. No law being broken here. Are you from America, my friend? Are you from America? Were you born here, my friend?
I got the call. I got your number, dude. I already got it from there. Chavalas, levas. All four of you guys are pussies. All 4 guys are pussies. Even the cop is a pussy. Where's the little one? It's a little one, though.
He is not crybaby bitch, and he is not going to cry about words, you stupid motherfucker. He is man stupid motherfucker.
Get the call, get the call.
They are crying like bitch. I get the phone number.
Get your phone on the terminal right now. You left it open. You left the terminal open.
Go back it's supposed to be? No, we gotta be here because we got trucks going in and out.
Stop crying about it, man. Stop
Have a
crying
good day.
about
What's
it.
your name, officer?
Bracamones.
Hey, I talked to you before.
Yeah.
Have a good day, man. Take care.
You guys need to
said,
get
mate.
educated.
Thank you, man.
Stop, leave people
Thank
alone.
you.
Get back to work, man.
Thank you.
You guys are wasting your company's time and money. You're wasting his time and money, man. Go back to work.
We are working, dude. This is
This
our
ain't
job.
work. This ain't work.
You're a pussy. You're a
Step in
pussy.
here, dude.
Why don't you step out here, man?
Tell me.
You've been crying about it the whole time. Why don't you just step over here and make
You're a pussy. You're a pussy. Desde aquí, desde New York, guys. Pussy. Pussy. Chinga tu madre, güey.
Cry until the gate closes.
Chinga tu madre, güey. Fucking bitch.
Oh, that was the fucking funniest shit ever right there, bro. What a bunch
Man,
of
only
pussies.
pussies work here.
Open the gate, you dumb fuck. The truck's trying to come in. Hey, you can't come in. You gotta come back another day, man.
It's close.
It's closed. They closed down.
Shut it down, dude. Because there's a lot of pussies here.
Now, if they're closed for the day, come back another day. Tomorrow.
Hey, because there's a lot of pussies here. That's why they close down. Pussy.
Yeah, they're crying, man. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's up, fellas?
Oh, tough guys. Yeah, what's up with that?
wasn't a pussy, right?
This guy's cool, man. This guy's a fucking lame ass pussy.
Why don't you answer when we
We don't
ask?
have to answer. We don't have no business, you and I, bro.
I know, but
we
I
don't
mean-
even know you.
I mean, I know exactly
Doesn't
but
matter,
the right
dude.
thing
You have to leave
do.
us alone.
Well, you're
We're public. It's for you to mind your own business.
I don't. Trucky's coming in.
Hey, the right thing for you guys to do is mind your own goddamn business.
I know, I understand,
That's
dude.
a fact,
But
man.
we asked you
How would you
nicely.
like it if I come up on you in public and ask you what you're doing? You ain't gonna like that shit.
Film me like that. I would. You know what?
It doesn't matter if filming, walking, running,
it's for
whatever.
My extremist fucking. I mean, it's for my fucking loser ass that I got nothing to do.
You're a piece of shit.
I don't care what I am.
You're a piece of shit.
You're a piece of shit.
Oh,
Look at
yeah,
your dress.
Your knife and everything.
Look at your dress. Go buy some fucking shoes.
Fuck up, dude.
Hey, walk with the fence so you can talk shit all the way. Hurry.
Fucking idiots.
Fucking
Come on,
pussy.
come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. We're going. Come on.
Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy.
Woo!
The company.
Hello. Yeah.
Hey, I hope you're getting paid for that shit. Make some
Hell
money.
yeah.
Are you getting making
We'll
money?
expose you on the internet tonight, dude.
Hey, are you making money?
You'll be exposing on the internet tonight.
YouTube,
Yeah.
Facebook, Instagram.
What?
Thank you for making me famous.
What? Making you look like a bitch is what we're doing.
Bye, bitches.
I hope you're making money, dude. Getting paid for that shit at least. Don't be stupid and be out to the street for other people.
For free.
Fake ass bitch.
Dumb fuck.
You a fake ass bitch.
Yeah, fake ass thing.
Butt hurt fake ass bitch. Pussy!
You're the cop is pussy. Oh,
Pussy! Oh, he called the pussy officer.
hey, what's up? The cop stick, dude.